Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about Dogecoin. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. Today we're going to be doing a video about Dogecoin. Where do I think Dogecoin is going to be headed by the end of this year? Should you buy Dogecoin? I've been getting a lot of video requests on Dogecoin and what I think about Dogecoin. But before I start the video, guys, I just want everybody to know that everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. So if you guys don't know what Dogecoin is, or kind of the history of Dogecoin, Dogecoin was founded back in 2013, back again when there was kind of like a crypto craze and, people just started getting into crypto. It was made as a joke, as a meme, and, they called it, Dogecoin. It has like a coin with a dog on it. And a lot of people were like, okay, it's just kind of a meme. So taking a look at the 1 year chart, we see all the way back here, 5 years, and that this thing was trading for basically at 0.002 cents for a very long time, all throughout 2018. We see a little spike here, 2018, and then we see a little spike here as well on February 4th, 2021. And currently speaking, a lot of people have made a lot of money off Dogecoin, and people are like, okay, how high realistically can this cryptocurrency go? A lot of analysts have been saying great things about Dogecoin as well, saying that Dogecoin is going to hit all-time highs, that Dogecoin is going to be adopted as a pretty good cryptocurrency, and that people should be taking it more seriously, that, Dogecoin started off as a joke, and now it's something that could actually be a pretty serious crypto asset. So taking a look at the 1 week chart, it's down 22% of its value. And if you guys, weren't really keeping track with the stock market this week, we definitely know that, a lot of crypto did take a big hit. I think a lot of it had to do with, Elon Musk and him putting a freeze on him, basically allowing people to buy Teslas with Bitcoin. And generally speaking, a lot of cryptos do follow Bitcoin as far as their overall trend pattern. I'm not saying all the time, but generally speaking, if Bitcoin is trending downwards, more often than not, a lot of the other cryptocurrencies are following suit. So we see here that there's this huge high here of 66 cents, and then we see this big crash, and it's just kind of slowly been falling ever since. Got all the way down to as low as 48 cents, and then has kind of slowly made a small recovery back up. And then I believe it was a couple weeks ago, or even last week, where Elon Musk went on SNL, and I think his mom said something about Dogecoin, which ended up tanking Dogecoin, I believe, from like 70 cents all the way down to 48 cents. So nonetheless, talking about Dogecoin, kind of what's been going on with it, taking a look at the 1 year chart, it's up 19,000%. So obviously it's gotten a lot of people's attention. Is Dogecoin worth the investment? Where do you think Dogecoin is headed by the end of the year? Could this be adopted as an actual cryptocurrency? Should people be taking it more seriously? Well, I do think that people should be taking it more seriously. From last time I checked, Dogecoin has around a $50 billion market cap, which is pretty good for something that was quote unquote started as a meme. Obviously, having a $50 billion market cap as a cryptocurrency, it's pretty good. And the fact that, Dogecoin has grown 20,000% in a single year, it's starting to raise eyebrows. It's starting to make people wonder, how far can Dogecoin actually go? My overall Dogecoin prediction, I do think Dogecoin can hit $1 to $2 by the end of the year. I'm almost certain that that's going to happen. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But, taking a look at how crypto has kind of been trading the last couple of months, or even the last year, a lot more people have been getting into trading, and the first thing they kind of turn to is cryptocurrency. A lot of people have been keeping up with Bitcoin and Dogecoin and Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash and XRP and all these other cryptos. You talk to people these days, they're like, oh, I'm a crypto trader, or I invest into crypto, because crypto, believe it or not, has gotten a lot more traction since the 2020 crash. We had the big Bitcoin crash that happened the first time, but it's slowly made its way back up. Same with Dogecoin, and here's the thing about Dogecoin, which does make it kind of a more viable asset, is there's a lot of analysts who are also backing up Dogecoin as well, saying that Dogecoin could definitely be an adaptable asset in the next couple of months, or even in the next couple of years. Even, some analysts have seen, or, big time companies have been adopting Dogecoin as well, which does put into perspective, like, kind of, Dogecoin's trading pattern, how far the stock is going to be able to actually go, or the cryptocurrency. But for me, seeing how explosive Dogecoin goes, the media attention that it has, the fact that more companies are adopting it, the fact that it's gotten a lot more media attention, and the fact that generally speaking, people are just more kind of, interested in investing in cryptocurrency when they first start their investing journey, already shows me that it's definitely going to probably hit $1 to $2 by the end of the year. I believe Elon Musk has that same price prediction where he thinks that it's going to hit $2 by the end of this year, or is the end of 2022. I can't really recall, but everybody knows this, that Dogecoin definitely has a lot more upside potential than it does downside potential for me. I do think that Dogecoin is going to hit $2 by the end of the year. My overall thing about cryptocurrency, and some people, it's about analyzing the patterns. Cryptocurrency generally is very volatile, so it can grow massive percents or lose massive percents in a single week or a single day. Like I said, taking a look back at the 1 week chart, Dogecoin down 22.18% of its overall value. So, people who bought it at the top are now down 20%. But nonetheless, cryptocurrency, generally speaking, they make very explosive recoveries. And the fact that, more people have been taking Dogecoin more seriously, it's gotten more media attention. It's being adopted by a lot of big time companies. There's even talks right now that, Elon Musk may allow Dogecoin, to be used as a basically an asset to purchase a Tesla. I think it's still going through the works. Haven't really been checking up much on it. I think that's the last thing I read. But if that does happen and, Elon Musk allows people to use Dogecoin to buy Teslas, it's definitely going to shoot the cryptocurrency upward. And the fact that, like I said, there's a lot more companies adopting it, more media attention, more people getting into crypto. Elon Musk is a huge fan of Dogecoin as well, even though some people do say that what Elon Musk is doing is just driving up the cryptocurrency and then he's going to crash it and then just kind of cash out. But I don't think Elon Musk really even cares about the money, in all honesty. I mean, he's already a very well-off dude, so I think he truly does believe in crypto. I do think he does support the assets altogether. But when it comes to Dogecoin, I do think that it can hit $2 by the end of this year. I would not be shocked, especially seeing back to the 1 year chart. The fact that it's already up 19,000%, the fact that it only has to climb another 100% to get to $1, it doesn't really seem unlikely at this point. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comments below, guys, what you think of Dogecoin. Do you guys think Dogecoin can hit $1 or $2 by the end of the year? If you guys own Dogecoin, how many Dogecoins do you guys have and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.